Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through
How to create a new Apple ID on iPhone. Creating a new Apple ID on your iPhone is a straightforward process, so here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Firstly, on your home screen, tap the Settings app on your iPhone. If you are signed in with an existing Apple ID, scroll down and tap Sign Out and enter the password and confirm. Now, at the top of the Settings menu, you can see Sign in to your iPhone option available. Now, on the Sign In screen, tap Don't have an Apple ID or Forgot it option. Then, provide your first name, last name, and date of birth. Make sure your first name and last name is correct. Then, tap on the date of birth, choose your month, year, and the day. Then, tap on the next option available there in the bottom. Now, enter your email address. Use the existing email address or select Get a free iCloud email address to create a new iCloud email. So, here I am creating a new iCloud email. Now, once done so, create a strong password and confirm it. Here you'll have to create a strong password and verify it again and tap on the continue option available there. Now you will have to enter your phone number for the verification process. Simply tap on the continue. Then you'll be provided with terms and conditions. Tap on the agree and Apple will send a verification code to your phone number and enter the code to verify your email. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.